Welcome to my channel, and in today's video I'm going to be walking you through this gorgeous makeup process on my client. I already moisturized our skin off camera, and right now I'm just using this Gentle Dove moisturizer, and then I'm locking it in with this Power Seal from Cosmetics. I really love it because Sarah sweats a lot and I'm just locking in that sweat. And next up, I'm using this foundation from Avoir Cosmetics. Like, guys, can you see how beautifully well this foundation is sitting on Sarah's skin? It's amazing. No doubt this foundation is really amazing. Avoir Cosmetics, well done. So Avoir Cosmetics is a Nigerian brand that I love. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell. Please do not forget to share, do not forget to like, and again, do not forget to subscribe to my channel. If you want to book my service or follow me on Instagram, you can follow me at beauty.bymay and also on TikTok at beauty.bymay. So right now I'm contouring a face, still using the Avoir Cosmetics foundation. I picked a shade that is about 3 to 4 shades darker than our skin to contour our skin. So right now I'm using the iMagic lipstick palette to blush up our skin, and then I went into concealer. I also used the Avoir Cosmetics concealer, and now I am setting that concealer with a compact powder, and this is the Milani powder, I think in light. Yes, in light. So right now I'm setting a whole face with the F&M powder palette. This powder palette is the best, no cap. Powder palette is amazing. Can you see how this powder sets our whole skin? Like, so flawless, so amazing, and it's also actually very affordable. So right now I'm using the White Glam blush to blush up our skin to actually bring back color to our skin. So I literally forgot to do a powder contour, and that's what I'm doing here. So right now I'm contouring our nose too. I just want to snatch that nose. So I'm setting our whole face using the Nia Beauty Spray to take away that powder look and further set in our skin. So right now I'm using the Yanga Beauty loose powder to bake our skin. Be doing the same thing on the other side. Sometimes you don't even know what to mix. You just pick different browns, like, okay, let's try this out, let's try that out. I didn't really know what I wanted to do for Sarah, but she said she wanted something really light. I'm also going to be using the same eyeshadow palette, the same brown tones that I used on our upper lid to smoke out our lower lids, to smoke out our lower eyelids. So as you can see, this is really amazing. This is a particular process that I do not skip in my makeup process. It just gives that rich look. It gives that Hollywood look. So right now I'm using our concealer as a primer base for our eyelids. I'm going to be using a really brown, a really soft brown nude eyeshadow on our eyelids, and I just needed to use a concealer as a primer. As you can see, this eyeshadow is from Tarte Cosmetics, and I really love this brown. I really love this nude shade. It's really amazing. So I did our brows, our lashes off camera. I don't know, I didn't know that I did not record that part of the video. Please pardon me. So I'm using the same Eye Magic lip palette I just took this brown in the lip palette to line our lips. And I'm also going to be taking a soft nude pink shade in that same lipstick palette as our nude shade, because Sarah had a look she was going for and it's my duty to actually deliver it to her. So I'm also going to be using Sopro Cosmetics lip gloss. I've forgotten the shade, but I'm popping in that lip gloss right now. As you can see the shade, I'm going to be dropping the names of the shades of every product that I used in the description box down below. Right now I'm glossing it up with the Paula Beauty lip gloss. Most of the products that I used in this video are all Nigerian brands, guys. Nigerian brands are doing the most, like they are doing good. So right now I'm setting our whole face with the Maybelline matte setting spray, I think so. And now I'm also using the Avor Cosmetics Fix Spray to lock all that in. You can see how amazing Sarah looks. Please do not forget to subscribe. Please do not forget to share. Please do not forget to hit the like button below and drop a comment. I love you guys, and God loves you even more. See you guys in my next video. Bye.